You know how some homemade hummus turns out silky smooth, while other batches feel a bit grainy? The secret usually isn't the recipe, it's the food processor. In this video, we're breaking down the best food processor for hummus, showing you which models really deliver that creamy, restaurant-quality texture. Links to all the current prices are in the description if you want to check them out later. By the way, I'm honestly super interested to hear what kind of texture you prefer in your hummus. Do you like it extra smooth or a little rustic? Let me know in the comments because I'm genuinely curious. Let's begin with the KitchenAid KFP 131813 Cup Food Processor, a model that blends thoughtful design with dependable performance. When you first use it, you'll notice how intuitive the controls feel. KitchenAid's simple 3-speed setup, high, low, impulse, gives you precise command over your texture, whether you want a rustic chickpea mash or a silky smooth hummus. The 13-cup work bowl is generous enough for large batches, yet its compact footprint makes it easy to store. Its exact slice system with an externally adjustable slicing lever means you can fine-tune your cuts without stopping to swap discs, ideal if you're prepping vegetables for garnish or pita accompaniments. You'll appreciate how the sealed, leak-resistant bowl keeps your ingredients contained, preventing any mess when you're working with liquid-heavy recipes like tahini-rich hummus. The KitchenAid's motor delivers steady, reliable power that's well-suited for dense ingredients like chickpeas. You can feel the torque as it effortlessly pulls the mixture toward the stainless steel multipurpose blade, creating a creamy, uniform blend in seconds. The feed tube is wide enough to accommodate whole ingredients, so you can toss in garlic cloves or chickpeas without constant prep work. And the included accessories, like the reversible shredding disc and dough blade, expand its versatility far beyond hummus, allowing you to move seamlessly from dips to doughs to salads. When you clean up, you'll notice how every part seems designed with convenience in mind. The bowl lid and accessories are all dishwasher safe, and the smooth surfaces wipe clean without fuss. Using the KitchenAid KFP 1318 feels like working with a machine that understands your rhythm in the kitchen. It's reliable, efficient, and quietly powerful, helping you focus on flavor rather than fuss. What you'll really love about the KFP 1318 is how seamlessly it integrates into your cooking routine. The snap-and-go assembly makes setup effortless, and the illuminated LED controls give it a modern, polished look. The machine operates with a low hum rather than an aggressive roar, so you can carry on a conversation or enjoy music while it works. When you're blending hummus, you'll see the ingredients transform gradually from coarse to creamy, with the motor maintaining steady, even power throughout. It's the kind of appliance that doesn't just make great hummus, it makes the entire process feel smooth, calm, and satisfying from start to finish. Now, moving on to the Magimix 4200 XL food processor, a model that embodies European craftsmanship and precision. This French-made machine is powered by a robust yet whisper-quiet induction motor that automatically adjusts power based on the density of your ingredients. That means when you're blending chickpeas into hummus, it delivers consistent torque without overheating or straining. The 950-watt motor is backed by a 30-year warranty, a testament to its engineering quality and durability. The 14-cup capacity makes it perfect for both small and large batches, while the trio of nested bowls, small, medium, and large, gives you flexibility for different tasks without unnecessary cleanup. The Magimix 4200 XL stainless steel Sabatier blades are razor sharp and designed to maintain their edge over time, ensuring your hummus achieves that ultra-smooth consistency so many home cooks chase. You'll notice how effortlessly it emulsifies tahini and olive oil into the chickpea base, creating a luxurious, airy texture. The extra-large feed tube allows you to add ingredients gradually, perfect for drizzling in olive oil while the processor runs. The controls are elegantly simple, just 3 buttons, on, off, and pulse, yet the results feel professional grade. When you use the Magimix, you'll sense its quiet confidence. The motor hums softly, the blades glide through ingredients, and you're left with a hummus that feels velvety and rich. Beyond hummus, it excels at chopping herbs, slicing vegetables, and kneading dough, making it a versatile companion for any kitchen enthusiast. The included accessories like the dough blade, egg whisk, and slicing discs store neatly in a dedicated box, keeping your workspace organized. Cleaning up is surprisingly easy given its size. The bowls and attachments are dishwasher safe, and the smooth, high-quality plastic resists staining from ingredients like garlic or paprika. Using the Magimix 4200 XL feels like working with a culinary instrument rather than just a machine. It's refined, powerful, and designed for those who appreciate precision in every detail. It's no wonder many food processor for hummus reviews highlight this model for its quiet power and long-lasting build. And I'm genuinely curious, have any of you tried a Magimix before? If you have, let me know in the comments because I'd love to hear how it handled your hummus making. Next, we come to the Ninja BN601 Professional Plus Food Processor, a model that proves high performance doesn't have to come with a premium price tag. With its 1000 peak watt motor, you'll immediately feel its strength as it powers through chickpeas, garlic, and tahini without hesitation. The 4 Auto IQ preset programs, chop, puree, dough, and mix, take the guesswork out of processing, delivering consistent results with a single touch. For hummus, the puree function shines, creating a smooth, even texture that's achieved quickly and without constant scraping. The Ninja's 9-cup bowl is ideal for medium to large batches, and its sturdy locking lid ensures everything stays secure, even at high speeds. The stainless steel chopping blade is engineered to handle tough ingredients while maintaining a fine, uniform blend. You'll notice how efficiently it breaks down chickpeas, transforming them into a creamy base that's ready to absorb lemon juice and olive oil. The feed chute is wide enough for easy ingredient addition, and the pulse function gives you control when you want a chunkier texture. What makes the Ninja BN601 particularly appealing is its balance of power and simplicity. You can move from chopping vegetables to preparing hummus to kneading dough with minimal effort, and each function feels intuitive. The suction cup base keeps it stable during heavy use, which is especially helpful when processing dense mixtures. The parts are dishwasher safe, and the sleek design makes it easy to wipe down between uses. When you use the Ninja BN601, you'll appreciate how quickly it delivers results. You can go from raw ingredients to a beautifully smooth hummus in under a minute with minimal noise and no overheating. It's a strong contender for anyone searching for the best food processor to make hummus, combining power, convenience, and affordability in one compact design. Now let's talk about the Cuisinart DFP14 BCNY 14-cup food processor, a classic that has earned its reputation through decades of dependable performance. When you first switch it on, you'll notice the steady hum of its 720-watt motor. Powerful enough to handle large batches of chickpeas with ease. The 14-cup work bowl gives you plenty of space to process ingredients without overflow, making it perfect for preparing family-sized portions of hummus. The stainless steel slicing disc, shredding disc, and chopping blade are all precision engineered to deliver consistent results. When you're making hummus, the DFP14 BCNY stainless steel blade works quickly to create a smooth, creamy texture. The wide feed tube allows you to add ingredients like olive oil or lemon juice while the machine runs, helping you achieve a perfect emulsion. The simple 2-button control, on and off / pulse, keeps operation straightforward, letting the machine's power do the work. You'll find that it processes even dense ingredients evenly, producing a hummus that's light, fluffy, and perfectly blended. The design is sturdy and timeless, with a brushed stainless steel finish that feels both professional and durable. The bowl and lid lock securely into place, and the large pusher ensures safety while feeding ingredients. It's the kind of processor that feels solid in your hands, built for years of consistent use. Cleaning is easy thanks to the dishwasher-safe removable parts, and the flat base wipes clean in seconds. Many food processor for hummus reviews praise the DFP14 BCNY for its reliability and consistent performance, making it a top choice for anyone looking for the best food processor for making hummus at home. Finally, we arrive at the Cuisinart FP130 13-cup multifunctional food processor, a model that represents Cuisinart's modern evolution of their classic design. With a 550-watt motor, it offers a perfect balance of power and efficiency, handling chickpeas, tahini, and garlic with ease. The 13-cup bowl gives you ample space for larger batches, while the included 4.5-cup work bowl is perfect for smaller portions or prep tasks. You'll appreciate the versatility it brings to your kitchen, allowing you to move from small dips to full meals without switching appliances. The FP130 stainless steel blades are engineered for precision, creating a smooth, creamy hummus in just minutes. The adjustable slicing disc and reversible shredding disc expand its capabilities beyond dips, letting you slice vegetables or shred cheese with the same consistent quality. The feed tube is wide enough for whole ingredients, and the pulse function gives you control over texture, whether you prefer your hummus silky or slightly rustic. When you use the FP130, you'll feel how stable and balanced it is. The motor operates quietly, and the secure locking system ensures safety during operation. The design is sleek, with a modern finish that looks great on any countertop. You'll find that it processes ingredients evenly, drawing them toward the blade for a uniform blend without the need for constant scraping. Cleanup is simple, thanks to dishwasher-safe parts and smooth surfaces that resist staining. The FP130 feels like a thoughtful upgrade to the classic Cuisinart design. Powerful, versatile, and built to deliver perfectly smooth hummus every time you use it. It's another excellent option for those seeking the best food processor for hummus, offering professional-level results in a home-friendly package. And before we wrap up, I'm honestly super interested to know, have you ever found a food processor that completely changed how you make hummus? Tell me in the comments, because I genuinely love to hear your experience. If you're looking for the best food processor for making hummus, any of these models will take your dip to the next level. Whether you value quiet power, versatility, or simple reliability, there's an option here that fits your kitchen perfectly. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest prices and details.